This portable shower is absolutely amazing. We have loved it. We have a hot tub and it's been great for us to be able to shower off and shower our kids off even after we get out, so that we don't have to use more water inside and have a whole another ordeal. So it's such a great use. We also have used it camping. I've used it to water my flowers here at the front. It has been so convenient. Comes with lots of different accessories, so this you can actually put anywhere so that it holds up the nozzle. Comes with 2 different shower nozzles, so whatever you prefer. It has great pressure and great spray, really comfortable. I love this. It comes with a great long hose, so if you're tall, it's going to be able to reach from the floor all the way up above you to be able to be really comfortable. Something I love about this portable shower is that I can fill it up with warm water and have an actual warm shower outside. So I love that. Would be great for camping too as well, because it's hard to do all of that in a lake. This works great and holds a lot of water. Easy to carry bag, which is nice. I have filled it to the top and was able to carry it myself, so really nice and convenient. And I've just been carrying everything in this bag, which makes it also very convenient.